This is my favorite plugin for cleaning sounds. On the left side you have the mono section, on the right side you have the stereo section. Pads where you have like some low end and a lot of reverb, very helpful because then you can cut the low end just from the stereo section, but keep it in the mono section, for example. Track spacer, that's like a sidechain effect that I really like, and you can choose like the frequency, like a low and high cut. So now it's only sidechaining in the low end, but the high frequencies from the bass don't get a sidechain. The wonderful Prophet sound with the RC20, this is a golden plugin. I like the wobble, kind of a vinyl kind of sound. It's pitchy, so the sound gets a bit more organic, and I also added here a bit of bit crusher. You can hear that especially in the high frequencies.